Well, I went ahead and got a TV. And that's where it's going to be mounted. Right there. It is a Skyworth 19-inch. That's the model number. Let's see here. Widescreen. It's got all that. 12 volt and 110 volt, so you can power it either way. Built-in DVD player. Skyworth. Things manufactured in China are getting really rare, so I went ahead and got it. And TVs are manufactured in China. And it's got a El Cheapo mount from Walmart. I'm going to fix this. Okay, let's see if you can see it. Let's pull it out. Use the gear tie to just kind of secure it down so it doesn't flop around when I'm driving. Pull it out. If you can see that. See how this comes out? If you can see it, it's pretty dark. Didn't help. There we go. See how it pokes out and sticks out? Well, I got a right angle connector. I'm going to try and fix that so it doesn't stick out. Here's the power cord. Antenna wire, which is hooked to my antenna. And it's the wire, cable wires run over here, up here, and coming down to the antenna booster. There's a wire from this all the way up to the antenna on the roof. And this is a little booster. You turn it on and it boosts the signal. It's takes less than an amp, but I didn't have a 1 amp fuse, so I put a 5 on it. And then I can plug the TV in right there with the 12 volt plug. Which is, where's it at? Right there. And it reaches over. Plug it in. I got to do something with these curtains. Got to fix them up so they hang right. I think I'm going to use Velcro and get these neatened up so it'll cover everything. Cover up back here. I got my Velcro, got some cable thingies for the wire, got my adhesive. This stuff is great. It is great and it works in this hot environment. So I couldn't find any more. Must be made in China because I couldn't find any. So I got a substitute, which is a Gorilla substitute. Where'd it go? I threw it back here somewhere. Here it is. It says used like E6000. We'll see. See if it works. And then I got a right angle cable hooker upper thingy. It's from Lowe's. So that's what I'm doing today, fixing up the curtains. Thought I'd show you the TV and what I got. Reasonably priced. It was $174. Got it from like Trucker Stop or something on like that online. I just looked up the TV and the website had it. And free shipping. Ordered it on a Sunday. Got here on a Wednesday. So, really good. Alright, I'll update you on the curtains later. Bye. Well, here we go. Got the curtains all finished. Got them all Velcroed up. Held up with Velcro. And I have it where you can open them if you want. And get into the cab. And then this will just Velcro on right there. There we go. All done. All done. Alright, that's it for this project. See you later.